Hello. In this video, I will show you how to integrate Tutor LMS with Affiliate Press. Go to the Affiliate Press Addons page. This is the Affiliate Press Feature Addons page. Scroll down and activate the Tutor LMS integration add-on. The add-on has been successfully activated. Now click the Configure button. This is the Affiliate Press Integrations page. Here, you can configure multiple integrations, enable the Tutor LMS integration. Affiliate Press also provides options like exclude taxes and reject commission on refund or canceled orders. After that, click the Save button to apply the changes. The changes have been saved successfully. Now go to the Affiliates page. This is the Affiliate Press Manage Affiliates page. Here you can see all registered affiliate users. Copy the referral link and go to the front end. Open the Tutor Courses page. This is the Tutor Courses page. Here you can see the list of courses. Now click the Add to Cart button to purchase. If you already have an account, log in. Otherwise, register a new account. Enter the required details and click the Register button. You have successfully registered. Now click the Add to Cart button again. Click the View Cart button. Now click the Proceed to Checkout button. This is the checkout page. Enter the billing details and click the Pay Now button. Your order has been confirmed. Now go to the Backend commission page. Here you can see that the commission has been added. The commission status is pending because the tutor payment is still pending. Now update the payment status. The payment is now marked as paid and the order is completed. Now go to the Affiliate Press Commission page. As you can see, the commission status is now approved.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.